All right. Now, everybody has a copy of the story. Everyone should have a copy. Raise your hand if you don't. Okay, we look good. This written story here is almost word for word exactly what we just saw in that short video. You're going to answer some questions about the story. But before we get to that, I want to take a little time to talk about some pronunciation. There's something interesting on this second page here. So I want everyone to turn to the second page. And we see a couple times something written just like this. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's written like one word here. But when we watched it, I think you could all guess, you could understand what that meant. Who can tell me what he's saying there? Yes, Ali. Good. Oh my God. It's just really, really short, put together really quickly. So it's just means, oh my God. You'll hear a lot of things like this when people are speaking. When we're writing things, especially for school, we don't usually shorten things, especially not that much. But these are called, in English, we call these actually reductions. I know all of you know a lot of these. So let's go ahead and brainstorm a list and we'll try to come up with 6 to 8 together. All right, we're gonna do this. Are you ready? Did anyone catch that? We're gonna do this. Yes, good. I'm glad you caught that. We are gonna do this. Gonna. Good, and we'll talk about what they're short for in just a moment. First, let's brainstorm our list together. Another one. Good. I hear won't. Won't. That one's a little strange, and we'll talk about that one. A little different. Over here, we're. Good. Okay. I see another hand. I'll. Good, I like that. I'll. We do say that a lot. Heel. Heel. Sure, that is definitely one very, very similar to I'll. Let's try to get a little different. Okay, I'd. I'd is different. Very nice. Let's get 2 or 3 more. Let's see if we can get 6, 7, maybe 8. Let's see if we can get all 8. Good one. Wanna. A little like gonna. But it wanna. Very, very nice. Great example. Okay, let's try to get 2 more. I think we can do this. And over here, nice. Yeah, he's. I like that. And last one, they've. Yeah, very good. Sounds good. All right, and let's use a different color to write down what each of these is short for. So we know that gonna, our first one, Gonna means going to, yes. The second one is a little tricky because it doesn't really sound like the things it gets shortened to. The two words don't sound like what it gets shortened to. Yeah, there's no W-O in it. And yes, good, I hear will not. And we're, easier one, just comes from, good, got it. And I'll, we all know I'll, just going to be I, and yes, nice, will. And very soon, I'd, a little different. It really shortens it. I'd is short for I. Good, I hear it over here. I would. Wanna. What is wanna short for? A little like gonna. And yes, I hear it over here. Want to. Want to. Wanna. Want to. Here's an easier one, short. Yes, we all know this one. He is. And the last one there, they've, they, and the second part, yeah, this is an easier one too. Good, I hear it. They have. Now remember, these are called reductions. And before we get to the next part of the comprehension questions, let's go ahead and look through the story and circle all the reductions you can find in the story. Ooh, in fact, not only the first line, but also the title. Where do we have one in the title? Good, yes. They're made out of meat. So go ahead and you can work together in pairs. Go ahead and find all the reductions you can find in the story, and remember, circle all the reductions in the story, and then we'll get to the next part of the lesson after that.